Cardiac muscle is myogenic, meaning it can contract without any external stimulation from the nervous system, and it's very important that the chambers contract in the right order, in the right timing. This is what I'm going to go through with you today. So we've got this group of specialised cells in the right atrium called the sinoatrial node, or SAN, and this is the first group of cells which is going to send out electrical impulses throughout the walls of the heart. That is going to cause the walls of the atria to depolarize and contract, which is stage 1 of the cardiac cycle, getting the blood to move from the atria into the ventricles. What we don't want is the ventricles contracting at the same time as the atria, because everything would end up in a big mess if that happened. So there's a band of tissue in the walls of the heart about here which is very high in collagen, and that means it actually can't conduct those electrical impulses. So any impulses sent out by the SAN will stop at that point, so just the atria depolarize. However, those impulses are then transferred to the atrioventricular node, or AVN, and after a slight delay, they will then send out the electrical impulses down the bundle of His and around the Purkinje tissue, and that is what causes the walls of the ventricles to depolarize and contract from the bottom up, and that is stage 2 of the cardiac cycle, getting the blood from the ventricles out through the arteries. After the cardiac muscle has depolarized, it then needs to spend a little bit of time repolarizing before it's ready to contract again, and that is the third stage of the cardiac cycle, when the whole of the heart is relaxed.